Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the language on YouTube app. Very easy, very simple. First thing you want to do, let's launch the YouTube app. Then I want you to go ahead and click on the lower right corner where you see your profile picture. Then I want you to go ahead and click on the gear icon at the top right corner. When you're at settings, then I want you to click on general. When you're at general, you have an option number 5 in the menu, which is app language. When you click on it, you simply will be forward to your original settings on your iPhone. So over here, you will be able to switch the general language, which is over here English. And when you click, you can select any language that you prefer that is part of the library. When you change the language over here, all the content on YouTube, all the comments, all the instructions, all the YouTube studio or any interactions that you have on the platform will simply be changed on the new language that you set as a default. This is very important, it is very simple, and almost any other app works the same way. They're going back to the actual iOS, and how you set your default language implies of what kind of language will be shown or used on the platforms itself. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.